Hey, it's Vinny Mancini, your Ironman Realtor, and welcome home to 4605 Greenwich in beautiful Mount Laurel, New Jersey. This home has 3 beds, 2.5 bathrooms, almost 2,000 square feet. I think you're going to love it. Check out this amazing kitchen. I want to cook some eggs. All right, but let me show you my favorite spot, the basement. I think you're going to love it. This finished basement could be a gym, could be a man cave. I can see myself having a few drinks, watching the game, maybe playing some music. Let's check out the rest.